channel. I am here bringing you another work from home opportunity. This opportunity is with Cigna Group. This is actually a health service company, and they're hiring for a prior authorization representative. This position is remote. Some of the responsibilities are answer inbound calls from patients, providers, and pharmacies. An average of 40 to 50 calls are expected daily. You would take calls back to back while toggling through several applications on multiple screens. Attend 100% of the trainings in the first 90 days of employment. Resolve patient inquiry, complaints through independent problem-solving skills and one-call resolution. Understand and strive to meet or exceed all call center metrics while providing excellent, consistent customer service. And you do have some administrative duties that you will need to complete with this position. So some of the qualifications are a high school diploma or equivalent. 1 year of customer service experience is required. A dedicated workspace with no distractions is required. Intermediate proficiency in Microsoft Outlook. Strong organization skills, written and verbal communication skills, ability to remain calm and helpful even when dealing with difficult situations. Now, this part, you all, listen, just be stress free. It doesn't pay to be stressed, okay? So just be calm. It's not you. Don't take it personal, all right? Foster teamwork and partnership with cross-functional departments to resolve issues and improve customer experience. You will need to know a little medical terminology, and you will need to have computer literacy and the ability to manage multiple applications at the same time. All right. So if you'll be working at home occasionally or permanently, the internet connection must be obtained through a cable, broadband, or fiber optic internet service provider with the speed of 10 megabytes per second download and upload of 5. For this position, the pay could be between $17 and $23 an hour, and that's depending on your experience and where you live. All right. So if you're interested in this position, I'll link the link in the description. You just click on it, you apply, and I wish you all the best of luck with this position. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified so you don't miss a job opportunity. And Boss is out.